This is insane. Oh my gosh. This is probably, oh man. Is that what I think it is? Oh my lord. Hey everybody, I just won a storage locker. I paid $7.50 for it. It looks pretty good. We'll see what happens, but I'm excited. Hopefully there's some good stuff in there, but I'm about to go in and pay. Hopefully we find some good stuff. I'll be back in a little bit and go on this adventure with me. Thanks everybody for joining me. Okay, great. Now we're going to open this bad boy up, see what's in here. Oh boy. Okay. And first box looks like golf stuff. Let's see. Oh wow. Oh, that's a good box here. Masters. Oh wow. This is gonna be good here. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. Masters watch. Wow, that's like a really good first find. Ooh, Lord. That is really good right there. Wow, I don't know what that's worth. What is that? Ooh. Masters Christmas ornament. Wow, what is that? Augusta record. Oh, that's cool. This looks like, this looks really good. Wow, that's a good, really good start. Masters golf balls. Wow, that looks really good. That was a really good start right there. Thank you. Wow, that's a good box. Let's see here. Let's go with this one. Let's see what we got here. Pier 1 Imports. There's a lot of glass in here. Seashell. Oh, that's pretty nice too. Not sure on the value on this stuff. There's two of those birds. Those look really good. There's a seashell. Looks like some plates. I won't unwrap that stuff, but okay. Wow, that looks pretty good too. Wow, that's like a little statue. That's really nice. That was really nice right there. That's heavy. What is in here? That's ceramic. Let's grab this. There's Kelly's doll on it. Let's see. Well, that first box is really, really nice, so. This is different. Not sure about that. Doesn't really look like it's worth too much, but we'll see. It's probably on the lower end. Let's see what's in here. Okay, pictures. This just looks like sheets and blankets. Okay, nothing in there. Oh well. Okay, this looks like more bedding, probably. Looks like more bedding. Okay. Start started out good, and now it's getting worse. Oh, it's one of those Christmas trees with the lights. That's a few bucks right there. Those actually are pretty expensive. So that was a nice one. That's probably $100 for that. What's in here? Oh, it's like a travel bag or something. Okay, what do we got here? These are nice. Oh wow. These are worth a few bucks. Ooh, Birkenstocks. Oh, these are worth money right here. These are expensive. Those will definitely be going up on eBay. Hopefully I can find the other one. Okay. 2 pairs of Birkenstocks, Nike Airs. Those are nice. Really nice shoes in here. Wow. Surprising. Cool. Not sure about the other shoes, but I know these are definitely in great shape and these are very resellable. So those are really good. Birkenstocks, Nike golf shoes. Cool. Alright. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, this is heavy. This is heavy. Ooh, what do we got here? Panasonic. Some film, SD cards. Okay, that could be pretty good. Nikon camera. Looks like a lot of files and receipts. This looks like I'm going to have to go through this further. A lot of paperwork, but there's definitely a camera in there. I'll put that into here. The shoes, it's a good camera. Case. Nothing in that one. Okay. Stick that in there. This looks like some jerseys in here. This actually looks like a really good box here. We'll see what we got. Ooh. Wow, that's nice. Look at that. That's cool. Ladies of Harley. Wow, that's pretty cool. Ooh, here's some more. That's nice. That's brand new with tags. Wow. That's nice there. I don't know what that's worth. Got to be worth some money too, those two. This stuff looks like kind of some nicer clothes in here. Let's see what else we got here. Ooh. There's another one. Wow. This is pretty good so far. Andrew Luck, number 12. Wow, that's pretty nice right there. Wow, look at that. There's another one. Manny, a lot of really cool football jerseys. Wow, this is pretty cool. Wow. Nice. What else we got in here? Some other nice stuff, but pretty cool. Some other stuff with tags, but wow, that's a nice little box there. I'm going to put that in here for those. Those are nice. It's like more clothes. Looks like there could be definitely some high-end clothing in here. I guess I'm not going to rifle this too much because it's folded. I'll go through this later, but definitely looks like some higher-end clothing there. This locker's looking pretty gosh darn good so far. VCR recordings. Some VHS tapes. Those are probably family stuff, but the box is cool. Really cool box. Let's see what's Looks like some more Master stuff. Wow, those got to be worth a few bucks, I would think. Masters. Oh wow. That's really nice too. That is definitely got to be worth something. A lot of Master stuff. Oh, this whole bag is full of Master stuff. Wow. Flags. Wow. Really nice. Wow. Oh man, this thing's loaded. Jeez, I might make. I spent $750. I'm definitely going to break even as of right now, I would say, just based on the quality of the stuff. Look at all this Master stuff. Oh my gosh. This is a really, really good bag right here. What is in here? Oh wow. BMW Championship. Pretty nice. Wow. It's a money clip. There's more flags. Wow. Oh, they're autographed too. Wow. Look at these. Let's see this one. Let's see. This is autographed. That's 7. I don't know who that's autographed by, but it is autographed, so that's pretty cool. That one's sealed. 2017. Wow. Very nice. Those are collectible and worth money, so. The Masters head cover. Wow. Pretty good right now. This one's gonna be. There's definitely money in here. Okay. It's a really nice bag right there. Wow. Really good. Alright. I'm gonna turn this off for a minute and then come back once I put this down. That was a really good bag though, guys. Thanks for watching. Looks like we might have hit the mother load here. Who knows? Okay, I'm back. I'm really excited. This is going really, really good. So I think we're definitely going to make some money on this one. Okay, these golf clubs, I think with the bag, these got to be at least $100. These Ping Green Dots, at least. Okay, we got a ladder here. I don't know what that's worth. I might just keep that. Let's see what else we got here. I'll go grab this little bag here. Let's see what we got here. I don't know what that is. Some kind of shoe cleaning kit, it looks like. There's a tea kettle in there. There's a few bucks there, maybe some flea market stuff. Let's see what's in here. Well, that's moldy. I should have my gloves on. Oh, that's the shoe cleaning stuff. Okay. That's a few bucks. Shoe cleaning. So we got 2 pairs of FootJoys. I don't know what these are worth, but they got to be worth a decent amount, I would think. 2 pairs of men's are look to be in decent condition, so those are nice. Okay, let's keep going here. Let's get in another tote here. So we're well on our way, or I'm well on my way to making my money back, which is good. So that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like some winter coats. I don't know if that's Haley. I'm not familiar with these brands. It's a nice vest. Looks like some kind of higher end clothes maybe. I'll stick these golf shoes in here. And that looks like a decent box maybe. We'll see. Okay, I'll stick that back there. Let's keep going here. This lighting is so bad in here. Okay. Well, hopefully we didn't get all the good stuff. Ooh, that looked like a helmet. Let's see here. Let's see what we got here. Looks like more clothes. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like dresses and, ooh, Hilfiger. That might be vintage. Sun Mountain. Don't know. I won't bore you with the clothing. Let's keep going through this stuff. I don't want to bore you with the clothes. All right, going into the dark here again. Sorry, guys. Oh, this feels like, ooh, what's this? Ooh, what do we have here? Harley Davidson. That looks nice. No, it's not Harley Davidson, though, I don't think. No, it's a helmet. I don't know what that's worth. Not sure. A Nolan helmet? Maybe a few bucks. I don't know. Turn that light back on. Let's see here. That's too bad it wasn't Harley, but I'll turn this light back on. Where's that timer? Go back to 30 on that one. Okay, turn this one. Fortunately, there's no light. Let's get this tote here. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, those lamps look really nice here, actually. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, what do we got in here? What do we have? Hopefully something good. More clothes. Oh, there's some tags though. Puma. I got my hands all dirty. Looks like there's some tag clothes. Let's see here. Puma. That's a nice shirt. It's brand new. If I don't get it all dirty. Ooh. I think I saw Masters. Ooh, there's a Masters iPod. Masters stuff sells. Ooh, 2 Masters. 3 Masters. What's that? This stuff, a lot of this has tags on it. Wow. What's that? Vortec. Wow. Looks like some good, nice golf clothes in here. Don't know. I'm not going to rifle all that, but that looks like a decent box right there. Maybe we'll go through that in a later video. Probably not, but I'm just going to leave that stuff folded because it's so nicely folded. Maybe it'll go to the flea market. Let's see here. Don't know what's in there. I'll leave that. Oh, like moving blankets here. These are moving blankets. Those look like, oh, these are worth a few bucks. These are Masters chairs. I'm sure these got to be worth, I have no idea. Leave it in the comment section if you know how much these are worth, but these are probably not cheap, but they're nice. More Masters stuff. Definitely got some value on the Masters stuff. Okay, what's in here? This looks like a, ooh, okay. It's like a Callaway travel bag. Oh, that's nice. This is a nice bag here. This is Callaway Golf Travel. That's nice. It's a really nice bag. I'm gonna set that over here for now. Gotta be worth a few bucks. Okay. What's in here? Let's see what's in here. Sherwin-Williams. It looks like some light switches. And light switches and paint samples. Yeah, that's maybe a few bucks at the flea market. Hopefully there's some more good stuff in here. We'll see. What is this? What is this? This looks like a Belkin. I don't know what the, oh, this is a Belkin battery unit backup. That might be worth a few bucks. We'll see. I don't know. Pretty nice though. Pretty nice. Okay, this looks like, this is $29.99. Home Goods, Broyhill This looks like a rug thing you put underneath your rug, but it's brand new, so I'll definitely take that. Sell that online maybe. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, wait a minute, there's that. Oh, there's that Harley. There's the Harley Davidson helmet right there. That goes in that bag. Don't know what that's worth. A few bucks. That's pretty nice. Don't know what I get for that, but that's pretty cool. That goes in that bag. How good we found that? That's cool. Nice. Going pretty good. Let's see what we got in here. Let's hope some more Master stuff. Or something, anything worth money. Gotta make that $7.50 back. What's in here? Well, this looks like some kind of flyers or something. Oh, it looks like a lot more golf stuff here. Let's see what we got. These look like flyers. Oh, well, what is this? Looks like some kind of like hand puppet or something. Oh, that's kind of cool. I don't know what those are worth. It's kind of cool. Top through golf hats, a bunch of hats. Well, these hats are all brand new. What is this? Baby shoes. True Golf. These are all brand new hats. I don't know if these are worth anything. I have no idea. But we'll see. Really decent bag here. Ooh, what's this? It's a nice little hand purse. Wow. That's nice too. There's a penny in there. Looks like nice material over here. What do we got here? Oops. Looks like a necklace. Ooh. Looks like we hit some jewelry. That looks like sterling, possibly. I think that is sterling. That is definitely, yeah, that's definitely sterling silver right there. This looks like a box of actual jewelry, to be honest with you. What is it here? I don't know what those are. Wow. That's a nice necklace right there. Wow. Whatever that is, I don't know. But this is a good box right here. Maybe I should save this for later. What do you think? Wow. There's another Masters thing. Wow, this is just loaded. This is unbelievable. What is that? $171. There's nothing in there. Huh. Oh, that's the flag. Okay. Shape is empty. Shirts on. That, I don't know what that is. Empty boxes here. Okay, I'm back. Wow. Look at this. Oh boy. Tiffany and Company? Combine, I'm not sure. Scouting Combine 2012. Tiffany. Is Tiffany on there? This is sterling, I believe. That's pretty nice right there. I don't have any idea what that's worth. Wow. That is really, really cool. Tiffany and Company. You know what? I am going to put this box in the back of the car. Actually, I'm going to put that in my pocket so I don't lose it. Oh my gosh, look at all these David Yurman bags. I don't know what this stuff is for. There is some jewelry in here, but a lot of these were empty. But I'm going to bring these back in the house and go through these. But it doesn't feel like there's anything in here. Check boxes. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is incredible right now. Oh my gosh, this is just loaded. This looks like all sterling right here. I don't know if there's gold in here or not, but oh my gosh, I can't read that. But this is all rings in here. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh my god, I have no idea what these are, but oh wow, look at that. Look at that ring. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put this in my pocket too. This, I don't think I've ever found anything like this. This is like crazy right now. I don't know what these are either, but these look like nice high-end watches. Oh, this is probably sterling. That's definitely sterling. Oh my gosh. Seiko. Boulevard. I mean, this is some nice stuff right here. Okay. Oh, that is really, really nice right there. Oh my gosh, I'm getting bogged down here on this, but this is probably one of the better finds I've ever found, but I'm actually going to put this where, I don't know. I'm going to put that right there, and I'm going to put that in the truck with me. Oh my gosh. What is that? Power rollers. That is a really good bag right there. Oh my gosh. What is this? 134 of 200. This is Masters. Oh my god, I don't know what this is. It'll be a surprise for all of us. Ooh, brand new watch. I have no idea what that's worth, but that is limited edition in the box. Wow, that is incredible. Oh my gosh. This is like insane. Oh my gosh. This is probably, oh man. Is that what I think it is? Oh my lord. Oh, are you kidding me right now? I'm about to have a freaking heart attack. Oh, it's not in there. Oh my gosh. That was a Rolex box, but that Rolex box right there is worth a lot of freaking money. I know that. That's a, oh my word. This is crazy. What is in this box? Let's see what's in here. Pearls. Oh my gosh. Did you see those? This is unbelievable, guys, right now. I can't even believe this. This is like freaking crazy. This is probably by far the best locker I've ever had. I mean, I'm trying not to get too loud. There's a camera in here, so they probably can see me, but I don't care at this point. Look at that. There's more jewelry. Oh my gosh. I am going to go downstairs and put this in the truck. Oh my gosh. You kidding me? Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is gold. That's silver. That is definitely gold. Oh my god. Thank you, Jesus. Wow. Look at this stuff. Are you kidding me right now? Where's the top to that? This box is going. This is going in the car. More Masters. Oh my gosh. What is that? Ooh, is that a Rolex? Maybe these are Rolexes. No, I don't think they are. There's another Masters watch. Oh my gosh, it's a Rolex box. I mean, I am going to try to find that watch. Hopefully it's in here somewhere, but I don't know. That's pearls. I don't remember what that was. Okay, I'm going to stop, guys. This file's getting a little long, and I'm going to start back up in a second here, okay? Guys, I'm back. That was the Rolex box. Oh my gosh. These, I think, are all Masters watches made in Switzerland. 235 or 350. I don't know if you can see that, but it's $275. Oh my gosh, 2012. Wow. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Wow. This is like insane. Oh, my heart is like pounding. Oh, they're in there too. Are you kidding me right now? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, so there is 4 more boxes of those in there. So that I'd say I made my $750 back with that box of jewelry, but they were opening that roll. I've never really opened a Rolex box before, but it was so exciting. But I'm hoping it's in here somewhere. I've never found one, but we'll see. I'm gonna go put this stuff in the truck, but there is 4 more boxes in here, and those are all Masters boxes, I believe, but we'll see. David Yurman. Oh my gosh, this is like crazy. Okay, I'm gonna put this stuff in the truck. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, if you've gotten some value and enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I usually do a video every 1 to 2 weeks, but hey, I wanted to say I appreciate everybody for watching, and thank you so much. And some of this stuff will also be available in my eBay store, so if you see anything you like, check out the link in the description. Thanks everybody.